Today we're taking a look at the brand new flagship rifle scope from Element Optics, the Element Theos 6-36X56 first focal plane rifle scope. This rifle scope was designed for the long range shooter, whether you're shooting PRS, extreme long range or anything in between. The Element Theos features the 34mm main tube, which allows for 100 minutes of angle or 30 minutes of elevation travel. It has a parallax adjustment from 10 meters to infinity. It has a removable throw lever, smooth elevation and windage adjustment, and a push button digital illuminated reticle with 10 brightness settings. The Theos has a brand new enlarged turret design, allowing for 12 mils of elevation per revolution, a secondary row of revolution numbers, and a revolution indicator flag. The Element Theos comes with a capped windage turret, though you have the option to utilise the thread protector if you prefer to use exposed windage turret. Another new inclusion with your Element Theos is a supplied aperture ring. When fitted, it will increase your depth of view and sharpen your image on a bright, high contrast day. So now we're at the range with the Element Theos 6x36x56. We have it on top of our 308 running a 168 grain projectile. To start off, we're going to zero our rifle at 100 meters. We'll reset our zero stop mechanism. Then we're going to head to some further targets so that we can really test out the Element Theos. Okay, so now our system is zeroed and we're going to reset our zero stop mechanism. The zero stop mechanism could not be any easier. Unscrew our top cap, place the turret so that zero is in line with zero. Done. And we'll have automatically 5/10 of under travel. Very similar process for our windage. Just undo our cap. Set it so that zero is in line with the indication mark. Redo our cap. So now that our rifle system is zeroed and our zero stop mechanism has been set, it's time to test out the Element Theos at distance. Okay, so our target's at 488 meters. We've got about 5 miles per hour of right to left wind. We're gonna need 3 mils of elevation to hit our target. Okay, so we've got 2 good hits of 500 meters. The wind was probably a little bit closer to 10 miles per hour. We'll head over to our 690 meter target and see how we go. Okay, now we have a target at 900 meters and we need 8.9 mils. We're battling the wind a little bit at 900 meters with the 308, but that's exactly why I paired this optic and cartridge together. I wanted to show you what a rifle is capable of when paired with a high-end optic like the Element Theos. So far we've had solid hits at approximately 500, 700 and 900 meters. Let's see if we can't get the 308 out to 1,000. Now we have a target at 1,000 meters with the 308 running a 168 grain projectile with the Element Theos 6x36x56 on top. There we have it, 1,000 meters with a 308 168 grain projectile with the Element Theos 6x36x56 on top. Still only on 22 times magnification and I can easily see my impacts at 1,000 meters. If you're in the market for a high-end rifle scope, look no further than the Element Theos 6x36x56. Now let's have a look at looking through the Element Theos at 700 meters. We have dialed 5.4 mils. Too much wind. Now that we're starting to see a little bit of effect from the sun, we're going to have a look at what the difference is between our optic standard with the aperture ring and with the supplied sunshade. The aperture ring will increase your depth of view and enhance and sharpen your image on bright high contrast days. So let's take a look. No aperture ring. Aperture ring fitted. And now aperture ring and sunshade. You by no means have to run the aperture ring and the sunshade, but on bright days, why wouldn't you?